This is a continuation to my previous video, children. I could not continue after beyond 11 minutes, so I have done a second video with this. But it is your exponents part 1 only. That is part A and this is part B. So I begin with 93 question once again because I was not very audible. So now express 16 raised to power minus 2 as a power with the base 2. Now pay attention here, they want the answer not in the base of 16, they want the answer in base of 2. So as we all know, 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to power 4. So instead of 16, we can also write 2 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to power 4 minus 2. 2 raised to power 4 raised to power minus 2 can also be 2 raised to power minus 8 or 1 by 2 raised to power 8. Please write the answer as 1 by 2 raised to power 8 because we cannot leave our answer in negative exponent. 96a now. Minus 3 by 2 whole raised to power minus 2 into whole raised to power minus 3. But this answer has to be left in with a negative sign. Now using the exponents power law, a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equal to a m into n. We can do this sum. If you don't feel like writing the laws every time, you can just mention that it is the power law. That is also fine. So minus 3 by 2 whole raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power minus 3 will actually become minus 3 by 2 into whole raised to power minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. So minus 3 by 2 whole raised to power 6 is our answer. But because they have asked us a negative exponent, we need to change it into negative exponent, that is 2 by minus 3 into raised to power minus 6. Children, in this question answer, the minus 3 is missing. So please put it minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power minus 6 is your answer. Now we come to the 98th question, part 1. It says it is using the negative exponent power minus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2. So all of them are in negative powers, so let us change them into positive. In order to do that, we have to do reciprocal. So 4 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 16 plus 4 plus 9. So your answer is 29. This is 98 question, part 1. Now we come to question number 98, part 2. We have to pay a little attention here because it's a little lengthy question. I will go slow. You also try to understand. Every question has to be done for classwork. Please do it for classwork. Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 raised to power minus 4 into 3 raised to power minus 1 into 1 by 6. Let's take the first term first. Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power minus 2 whole raised to power 3 is actually equal to minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power minus 6. Correct? Now 1 by 3 whole raised to power 4 minus 4 will be 3 raised to power 4. Now 3 raised to power minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 3. And 1 by 6 will be equal to 1 by 6 as it is. Now see, we have to change all these numbers in terms of 2 and 3 so that using the power law, using the product law and the quotient law, we can remove the numbers or we can subtract and add the powers. So instead of minus 2 by 3 whole raised to power minus 6, we converted into 3 by minus 2 whole raised to power 6. 3 raised to power 4 remains as it is. And the third and the fourth term can be combined together and written in terms of 3 and 2 only. So 1 by 3 into 2 into 3. Correct? Now look at the top first. Look at the numerator. It is 3 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 4. Fine. So it is product law. So 3 raised to power 6 plus 4 it becomes. Right. Now look at the numerators. The numerator has minus 2 raised to power 6 and 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 2. So what I do is, when it is minus 2, it becomes raised to power 6 when I multiply minus 2 6 times, it will actually become a positive number, because minus is in positive. So when I multiply minus 2 6 times, it actually becomes 2 raised to power 6. So 2 raised to power 6 plus 1, that is 2 raised to power 7. Numerator already has 3 raised to power 10, while the denominator has 2 raised to power 7 into 3 raised to power 2. So that 3 raised to power 2 again goes up and gets subtracted using the quotient law. It becomes 3 raised to power 8. And what we are left in the denominator? 2 raised to power 7. I know this is a little complicated sum. Please pause my video or replay my video and listen to it once again. One thing which is of confusion out here is that if minus 2 raised to power 6, why did it become 2? Minus 2 raised to power 6, whenever we multiply minus 2 6 times, it will become a positive number, which will land up to be, the value is going to be landing up to be 2's value, 2 raised to power 6. That is why, and it is written there also as a, there's another law that anything minus a raised to power m, if m is an even number, answer is a raised to power m. We will try to clear your doubts during the Zoom class. Now, after all this, I am going to give you a home assignment. See, question number 44 from exemplar. Evaluate 4 raised to power minus 1, 3 raised to power minus 1, 6 raised to power minus 2, whole raised to power minus 1. The hint for this question is that you will do the bracket first and then find the answer for the outside power. Question number 45. Evaluate 2 raised to power minus 1, 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1, whole raised to power 0. That whole raised to power 0 itself gives you a very big clue what your answer should be. Check the laws if you have forgotten. Question 94. Express 27 by 64 and minus 27 by 64 as powers of a rational number. That means 27 by 64 you have to factorize, like make it smaller, and you have to put the number as a power. Okay, for example, if I say 8 can be written as 2 cube. Similarly, 27 by 64 has to be done. Again, express 16 by 81 and minus 16 by 81 as powers of a rational number. Same kind of question. You just have to do the same kind of question. And then we have 96b. 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 8 into 2 raised to power minus 7. All of them are in the basis of 2. So using the product and the quotient law, you will be able to do this sum. So I hope you will finish this video part 1 and 2 together and be ready for your Zoom class. Thank you, children. All the best to you.